Anybody who bakes a lot has learned at least two important things. It takes a lot of different pans to make a lot of different pastries, and the quality of the pans really matters. It's easy to create an endless variety of baked goods as a pastry chef because of the pans and tools at their disposal in a well-curated professional kitchen.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best baking pans in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Fat Daddio's Anodized Aluminum Round Cake Pan. Round cake pans are a requirement in any baker's collection because of their flexibility. They can be used to create birthday layer cakes, Italian ricotta cheesecakes, clafoutis, and more. This set is exceptionally well made of commercial-grade anodized aluminum that weigh less than steel pans. The aluminum pans heat quickly and evenly, allowing cakes to cook faster without drying out in the oven. The pans also cool faster, making them easier to handle when it's time to flip out your cake rounds to cool completely. This 3-piece set features a 3, 5, and 7-inch diameter pan, each with a height of 2 inches. Fat Daddio's claims that this set is perfectly sized to accommodate 1 box's worth of cake batter. Number 2. Wilton Nonstick Diamond Infused. If you're looking for a high-quality set that covers most of your bakeware needs, and one that also looks good, several customers recommend this one by Wilton. Not only are the pans coated with a non-stick finish that helps everything you cook cleanly release from the surface of the pans, but the coating is diamond infused, making the surfaces scratch-resistant, even when using metal tools. The added bonus is that all 7 pieces have a great-looking, slightly glossy navy blue finish. The set is composed of a 12-cup muffin pan, large, medium, and small rectangular baking pans, a loaf pan, and 2 round baking pans. All feature a diamond-infused non-stick coating and large, curved handles that make handling the pans easier. They are dishwasher safe and sturdy enough to use daily. Number 3. Countertop Safe Bakeware. Each pan in this set from Calphalon has silicone grips on the bottom, so you can place the pan directly on your counter straight from the oven. Since these grips also make the pans non-slip, keep in mind they might be a little difficult to take out of the oven. In our tests, the cookie sheet produced impressively even cookies, and we like the assortment of pans that are included in this set. Number 4. Anolon Advanced Nonstick Bakeware Set. For minimalists or those with small kitchens, Anolon's Advanced Nonstick Bakeware Set has the most useful assortment of pans to get started, including 2 round cake pans and a square pan for cake or brownies. The half-sheet tray resembles a cookie sheet with shallow edges, but is still rimmed, which makes it good for roasting juicy foods. It also has a large surface area. The cooling rack is an added bonus that can be used to cool cookies or serve as a trivet or roasting rack. All of the pans performed well in our tests, and they scored the highest for ease of use. Number 5. Nordic Ware Platinum Collection Anniversary Bundt Pan. In the early 1950s, the owner of Nordic Ware, a Minneapolis-based company, designed the pan now known as the Bundt specifically for the Hadassah Society, a group of women who were looking for a way to replicate the Kugelhofs known in Europe. After grabbing attention at a national baking competition, the pan became a regular fixture in home kitchens across the US. This anniversary edition Bundt pan takes the original Bundt pan design that made Nordic Ware famous and presents it to a new generation, with a few upgrades. This pan is still made in the US with cast aluminum, which in testing makes for cakes that are baked evenly with perfect browning all the way around. The material is a little heavier than others, but seemed like a worthy trade-off for such pristine baking. That was our list of the top 5 best baking pans just for you.